Treasure!
Woohoo! We're on the Ottawa River. Hold on to your hats.
There's a river here in Renfrew County, prettiest stream ever you saw. Dark waters flow from the Algonquin through rock and hills to the Ottawa. Black water flows the Madawaska through hills of maple and white pine, made by God's hand. It's a thing of beauty. Through this valley I call mine.
All right, so we're just pulled over just outside of Chalk River and we're at a beautiful beach just outside Wazoo Rock. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but it's a really beautiful spot to spend the day.
Okay, go. Go under. What?
Wow!
Look at this.
What? That's cool. Good job, Ivy.
Yay! All right, so we're at Wazoo Rock. Is that how you say it? Wazoo? So we're at Wazoo Rock, and we will insert some history about it right here. Wazoo Rock is a sheer rock face about 150 meters in height that rises straight out of the Ottawa River. It is considered to be a sacred site for the Algonquin Nation, known for its petroglyphs and stunning views of the Ottawa River. What are you doing right now, Lex?
Trying to wake Ivy up from ice cream truck.
Can I get out here?
Ice cream truck. Ice cream
What are you doing?
truck.
Should we go get some ice cream?
Yes, and I fell asleep for the first time in a boat.
The
Hotel Pontiac in Fort Williams was formerly a Hudson Bay trading post. It has now become a popular destination for locals and boaters on the Ottawa River. It is a great place to stop for a cold beverage, listen to live music, or get an ice cream.
Where did you get ice cream?
Fancy restaurant.
At what?
At this fancy restaurant.
Crazy restaurant? Is that what you said?
Fancy.
Oh, it's fancy, is it? Fort Williams is fancy?
No, it's not. Oh,
What do you have?
You're okay.
What are you eating?
It's okay for a minute.
ice cream.
Ice cream. Did Daddy pick the good kind? Chocolate? Oh.
All right, so we're just off of the Ottawa River. We were hoping for a nice closing shot for you, but like always, our closing shots suck, and the boat launch was busy, so now you get me talking in the truck. Great day on
Great day on the Ottawa River.
Great day on the Ottawa River.